So, just food for thought for anyone out there looking to buy a wig and you need help picking out a wig. Don't bring your homegirl or your stylist, because you really find out what they really think about you when they try to pick out the most ugly ass grandma wig and be like, girl, yes, that's you. They don't love you. They don't love you. Just food for thought, okay? Okay. You know what annoys me? When a customer comes into the store and you actually speak to them and they look at you as if you got the problem because you spoke to them. It's like, bitch, I'm doing my job. This is what I get paid to do. I really don't want to talk to you. Hey, y'all. It's me. I'm back with another Words of Wisdom. Earlier today, we met a young lady that decided that she really wanted her wig to stay on. So she used the industrial, I'm going to seal my life together Gorilla Glue. Not Gorilla Snot, actual Gorilla Glue on her lace wig. And she decided to ask me how to take it out. The answer was she had to cut it out. But I'm just going to tell anybody who tries to do this. If you don't know how to put it in, don't put it on. If you can't install it, don't even try it. This lifestyle is not for you. If you can't install it, pause it. If you can't install it, pause it. Dial 972-296-2540, Sunday 11 to 5, or Monday through... Hey, I'm back with another set of words of wisdom. If you're pregnant and you're wearing a romper that comes up to your ass cheeks, you should really rethink about your whole life at that moment. No one wants to see that. No one's trying to look at your bowling ball belly and your ass cheeks. That's how you got in that situation. Food for thought. Hey, you guys. I'm back with another words of wisdom. And today's words of wisdom is for the ladies that decide that they want to smoke weed and don't want to air out before they come inside of a building. It is highly crucial that you air out. You must air out, because I promise you, we don't want to smell you. Especially if you're a pretty girl. Like, pretty girls, we can get away with a lot of things, but smelling like pure kush or corn is not attractive. Food for thought.